Thought for the day, Friday, August 23rd. Contemplation leads to service. The attraction of modern times. This is the great attraction of modern times, to penetrate in the highest contemplation, shall mingling with everyone, one person alongside others. I would say even more, to lose oneself in the crowd in order to fill it with the divine, like a piece of bread dipped in wine. I would say even more, made sharers in God's plan for humanity, to embroider patterns of light on the crowd, and at the same time, to share with our neighbor's shame, hunger, troubles, brief joys. Because the attraction of our times, as of all times, is the highest conceivable expression of the human and the divine. Jesus and Mary, the Word of God, a carpenter's son, the seed of wisdom, a mother at home. Chiara Lubich, Meditations, New City.
Word of Life for August 2024. Lord, it is good for us to be here.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.